Well, all three levels of government are intervening in the ongoing violent service delivery protests in areas south of Johannesburg.
The Premier's office, the MEC for Housing, the member of the mayoral committees and the Minister of Police. Housing is at a centre of a deep-rooted anger and frustration.
More townships flare up. Police again under siege. And residents not letting up.
Our challenge here is only the land. That's what we ask, because now we are tired of the story of MMC and the story of the councillor. What we ask, with all due respect, is Paul Mashatile, our MEC, to come with the plan of this place.
Later in the day, a representative from the Gauteng Premier's office and residents did not hold back.
If you are a civil servant, serve your people. If you cannot shape in leyo, ship out. Ship out.
We want land, sir. We have been promised many a times.
So I will arrange for a meeting.
What I'm going to do is organize a meeting with the MEC, the community leadership, and then the community.
Then a date for the government official who previously made promises. Gauteng Human Settlements MEC Paul Mashatile has made a commitment to visit this community next Friday to hear their concerns. Well, these residents say if he does not come up with immediate solutions, their action will continue. Following days of violence, calm restored to Eldorado Park. However, schools and businesses remain closed, as some are still tallying the cost. The police minister says he's concerned about the acts of criminality.
We've been saying this over and over again to say that that is not an option for our people to basically, opt for violence in the protest. But it has become vividly clear now that it is not the real people who've got demands who are promoting violence and the criminality. It is the actual criminals. That's one. The actual criminals who take advantage of the protest and they loot the shops of the Pakistanis. They loot the shops in and around the township. They throw stones because to them it is heaven.
Police will remain in the protest-wrecked areas. Crisalda Lewis, SABC News in Johannesburg.